Hail Mallrats! We are here at Ayala Malls Manila Bay for the 2025 Otaku Expo. It's February 22, 2025, a nice Saturday night. And it's a small, open to the public expo, I guess. So let's check it out. Alright, so this Otaku Expo 2025 is running from February 21 to 23, if I'm not mistaken. A usual Friday to Sunday thing. Some shops are already closed a little bit, some stalls are closed. It is 8 p.m. Okay, they do have cosplay thing. As you can see, some people are cosplaying. There's stickers and stuff. Dead stall. Okay. So you know, it's free. It's open to the public. So have stuffed toys. Ooh, Pokemon cards. Okay, that's what they have. Oh, is that a wig? Wig, K-pop stuff. It's a little close though. Okay. So it's hard. Trinkets, usual stuff that you always find in these places. What is that? Toys. That looks like toys, figures. I see something interesting, but yeah, a lot of the middle stalls are already closed. And it is the second day, if I'm not mistaken, so I guess it's open to the public, so it should be a little bit lucrative. As you can see, a lot of the stalls are closed. Yeah, a lot of the middle stores are closed. I'm guessing business ain't that. I would call it oversaturation, but maybe. It doesn't feel that way. What is that though? Merch, cool cosplay looking things, or at least wear your brand. Ooh, figures on the outside. Let's check the outside later. There's some. Okay. Toys. Toys. Figures. Oh, these are cute. Checks. Look at that. Keychains. Figures. Yeah, I think it's this stall that always has the super high-end and expensive, but well-crafted, high-quality figures. Check that out last, I guess. Here in front. Nothing that really calls out to me. I've never seen a Shion one before. I'm gonna go ask about that one later. The Plushie, it's fine. Gunpla. Hey, if there's like, you know. Yeah, I just thought of something, but not anime related, so maybe later. I see some Zoids and Gunpla. So yeah, if we see some cool Gunpla, we'll get it. Oh, isn't that cute? Look at that. She's so cute. Oh, Gunpla. 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 Anything I'm interested in? I don't know. Let's see. So what is this? Water jug things. Water jugs. Stuffed toys on the other side. Let's see this. Stuffed toys. And go check out Toys R Us later. Upstairs. Miku figures. Oops. It's cute. It's fine. Figures. I think these are the cheap knockoffs. I think they're at $300 a piece type thing. So yeah, make it the cosplay thing, but we weren't aiming to get to the cosplay thing. Stuffed toys and figures. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. These rings are cool. Look at that. That's cool. Woo! That's right. Rings are cool. Cat things. Ooh, boots. Look at that. Okay. Figures. See this area? I don't think so, no? Oh, I know this area. At this point, I will get myself a Bibu wall scroll one of these days. Probably will. Oh, acrylic stands. Look at that. Acrylic stands. Yay! They're not. Well, it's just. Okay. It's fine. I'll just get myself a GG. See what? Oh, there's a Rara. Okay, I see. Okay, toys. Toys. There are some people. Ooh. Okay, let's see if anything's new or anything that we don't have yet. Let's see. Nothing. Toys. Knockoff stuff, I think. Yeah, knockoff stuff. But it's fine. These are always nice to display. You can actually even repaint them if you want. If you're a modder of some skill. Oh, that's cute. Here in cosplay, does she look like she's hundreds of years old? I don't know. Little. Okay, toys. Stuffed toys. Chopper. That's cute. Check that out later. Sorry if I think some of these One Piece figures are not that expensive, because I'm seeing them all over. And they can't be that expensive if they're that common, right? Hey, I have not seen a Princess Mononoke figure in ever. There you go. Okay, so this is a Miyazaki shelf, I guess. What else? Any retro stuff we're interested in? This would be a retro pile. Some Gunpla down there. Not really. Fine. Okay. What else? Okay, that's closed. This one is closed. Keeps in cosplay. Okay. This area is closed. You can see t-shirts. It's closed over here. The closing. So it's probably 8. Cosplay. What is this? Ooh. Okay. Stickers. So stickers, usual stickers. Stickers are here. Okay, here. This place is cool. Look at this. Is that a pen or a letter opener? Okay, that's cute. Okay. So it has to be a 3D printed thing. Okay, that's cool. And they have cool rings. That one actually looks, real enough. How much yung mga ring? Iba-iba ba? Or is it the same? Same lang?
Nasa baba na ring, ball pen, bracelet, 100 each.
$100?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And then when you buy
Okay.
4, yung pang-lima free.
Oh, okay.
And then you get 2 stickers free din. Or 1
Stickers. Oh, okay. So $100. Yeah, these are $100 each. That's cool. Ooh. That looks cool. Your mom would love this one. Your mom would love that. That's cool. What else? I'm not really a jewelry guy, as you can see. I don't really do jewelry that much, but handcuffs. Are these real? They're too thin. They're gonna cut into your flesh and stuff. Okay, anyway, what else? Other side. Yeah, wait. Did we see this now? I am not sure we did. I think we kind of did, but from the outside. So, yeah. Figures, as usual. Knockoff figs. I think these ones are real, though. These ones. So that. Okay. Pens. It is, yeah, because okay, so it's gonna run from today to tomorrow, apparently. It's organized by Ozine, apparently. Okay, yeah, there's pens because there's a manga drawing thing, event, activity, whatever. Makes sense. So yeah, kids drawing stuff is always a good thing. Or grown men, or grown women, I guess. I still draw. If you guys want to see my drawings, find my link on this channel somewhere, or in the socials page, or in the about page somewhere. Some of it is NSFW, so just be warned. That's how I started out. That's how a lot of us start out, right? You want to see something, it doesn't exist, so you learn how to draw it. That's how a lot of us artists start. Yeah, that's cool. Not accurate art. That's gimmicky. Okay, that's it, guys. That's Otaku Expo. We'll go around and check out the outskirts, which we have not seen. Okay. So wrapping up. Okay, so they have guests at the program. Okay. This is, of course, in the middle of the atrium of Ayala Malls Manila Bay, all the way here in Pasay City. I do believe it is Pasay City, right? And it's running from Feb 22 to 23, Saturday to Sunday, 2025. So once again, we are here at what's it called? Otaku Expo. I should remember. Come on, guys. I'm new. Hey, if you guys are seeing this from the future, well, I hope that my newer videos are very, very different. Wait, have I seen these? Okay, I have not seen this Gunpla area. I have to take a look. So we have some knockoff Gunpla. Cheap Chinese knockoff stuff. But they also have the real stuff. And I think some Bandai stuff, maybe? No, this wait, is this real? I'm not sure. The box looks good. Okay. This one's that one's definitely legit. I do not see Bandai Namco in the box. Could be knockoff. The knockoffs are getting good. She's can't tell, guys. I'm just assuming since there's no Bandai Namco in the box. You know? Something is off with the box. If you've gone through dozens of Gunpla, like I have, you tend to get a feel for what's real and what's not, and those do not feel real. Okay, I still don't have that. By the way, but I do have a masala. I have a masala. Don't have a Zeta, I believe that's probably one of the most diverse areas of mobile suit seen in any Gundam product, I think. So I'm having trouble completing that one. Yeah, they just came out as of 2025. They just came out with a Bolino Saman just a couple of months ago, and I've still to get one, an HG. Anyway, so here's the high-end figure.
Since-page ka natin.
Oops, sorry. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Oh, look at the figures on the far end. Far back. That Luffy with the extended arm looks really cool. Outskirts. I'm seeing Bandai stuff. At this point, are we gonna call this Bandai slop? Because it's pretty good quality, but it is kind of slop. But it's not Funko slop. Okay. Oh yeah, I was gonna ask about the Papa Parade stuff. I should ask now. Excuse me, guys. Okay, so I just asked. The Papa Parades are 2,500 pesos each for the holo ones, at least. The other ones are $2,000, I think. So that is kind of high, but I think that's a going standard price these days for holo stuff since they are in high demand. Although it is Shion and Laplace and Botan and Kanata, so I'm not really hyped to get any of those. I already have the ones I need. Need. Okay. Miku. One of these days, I'm gonna get myself some free rent stuff. She is cute. Anyway. That's it, guys. That is it. We've been going around for 20 minutes, and I think that's it.
You want to buy both? No?
Yeah. Wait, did we miss this shop? I don't remember looking at this one. Antique stuff. Retro stuff. Starbucks. There you go. That's it, guys. That's it. So that is it, Mallrat. That is Otaku Expo 2025, February 2025, here at Ayala Malls Manila Bay. Brought to you by Ozine, okay. Well-known local con organizers. Yeah. Small, cute event, and good for normies and stuff. Some not too many finds, but yeah, it is one of those essentially pop-up type things in the mall. Anyway, so that's it, guys. Mallrat out.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.